Welcome to the unboxing experience of the Tecno Spark20 Pro Plus, where every moment counts. Let's embark on a journey as we uncover the features that make this device truly exceptional. As you open the box, anticipation fills the air. Behold the Tecno Spark20 Pro Plus, a device that promises to redefine your smartphone experience. Let's delve into what makes this unboxing special. Feel the elegance in your hands. The Tecno Spark20 Pro Plus boasts a premium finishing that goes beyond aesthetics. Crafted with precision, this device is not just a gadget but a statement of sophistication and durability. Immerse yourself in the beauty of the curved display. The Tecno Spark20 Pro Plus features a screen that seamlessly curves, enhancing your visual experience. From gaming to watching videos, enjoy a display that captivates. Capture life in stunning detail with the remarkable 108-megapixel camera. The Tecno Spark20 Pro Plus takes your photography to the next level, ensuring every shot is a masterpiece. Experience clarity and vibrancy like never before. Powering your journey is a robust 5000 mAh battery. The Tecno Spark20 Pro Plus ensures you stay connected, providing ample power for your daily adventures. Say goodbye to battery anxiety and hello to uninterrupted usage. But that's not all, we've got surprises for you. Unwrap a stylish back cover and a reliable screen guard are gifts to you. Protect your Tecno Spark20 Pro Plus with these accessories, ensuring it stays as stunning as the day you unboxed it. There you have it, the Tecno Spark20 Pro Plus, a device that combines style, innovation, and functionality. If you enjoyed unboxing this incredible smartphone and want to stay updated on the latest tech insights, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with fellow enthusiasts, and subscribe to Patel Electronics for more exciting content. Until next time, enjoy the endless